All right, so today we got this cool torch lanterns, USB and solar power. Place not included. Place I don't need to cover because it's too much light. So let me show you what happened if I take it off. So this, it can run up to 10 hours. Good to be an outdoor. You can put right in the deck, so you can hold this. You see the screws right over here, so you hold it right in the desk. That's what we're going to be doing. Or in about 14 inches, or you can stick it this right in the ground with this, and this 30 about 31 inches. So you go this way, stick in the ground, and stick the other part. Take the base out. Pretty cool, maybe on the side of the walkway. Now another nice thing too, you can charge this USB. We put it right over there, and if it requires charge, it will come. It will see right now. It's hard to see. You can see a little bit in the video. It's red light, so it's charging. Now for the sun requires about 8 hours, but just leave it aside and it should be fine. I mean, it should be on all night long. I mean, it looks pretty cool. People will think it's actually a real torch. Now, to turn it on, take out two ways. So let me turn it on. So let me go. So we go the other way around. All right, so it's off. Now to turn it on, you need to press 2 times. 1, 2, it's on. So when it's on, it's the effect of fire. I think that's pretty cool. The next, it stays on full power. And the next one, it goes from low to high in circles around, goes all the way bright, and then it goes all the way down, and that's off. So let's go back again 2 times. Put the play. Let's simulate it's dark. There's a lot of light over here. That's it, guys. Pretty cool. I love these torches. You can use it, even you can use it indoor. If you got a party, you can put a bunch of those inside the house, top of the table, whatever. And then definitely this goes on in my deck. So real cool, easy to use. That's it. 10 hours, plug it in. If you need charge, plug the USB. If you want to use it inside the house, you just power it up with the USB. Be outdoor, it should be fine with enough sun. Real cool lantern. So we love it. Bye.